No, that's not the one.
Yeah.
We have our own. Well, it's shared with the Luma though. It's a Recology.
We have the same contract. Used to be something Scott.
It used to be waste management over there, but then here in Marin, most of the communities are with sanitary services.
Oh. Yeah. My dad said that works for waste management.
Oh, what?
In LA. Like,
oh.
Yeah. They always have like interesting stories. Like every time we visit them, like about the roots they have, and it's like sometimes that my brain is so little. Oh yeah,
yeah, so you know, here in Marin we have a lot of these retirement homes, like the one we just went by. That's Oakmont.
Oh
yeah. We have Oakmont also in Novato. It's, I believe, a 3-minute walk from my place.
Oh.
And that one has a lot of patients.
I've seen another one. I've seen a couple of them. Was it Chateau too? This one in Pleasant Hill, or
you're getting a little too close.
Talk to me what with the cars, but
yeah, there's another truck tailgating you too.
Oh yeah, no, they do. A lot of people are like really a lot of anger like lately. Yeah, no, it's nighttime especially. They speed through here like crazy almost. I'm like scared to drive most of the time. But I know it's yeah.
Yep, there you go. There's your big.
Oh yeah. I've been in cars that I'm just like scared to be a passenger in. Like I did almost die a couple months ago in the Bayview.
Oh God.
And our car had to like go around somehow.
Right.
It was great. Yeah, he's a pretty bad driver, but oh yeah, but no, that's why I drive around more at the speed and everything else. But yeah, it's on house. He's from taking the 36.
Oh
30.
God, no! I don't want to hear the baseball playoffs. No. But it's okay. You know, just keep playing KCBS because I want to hear the traffic report in the next 3 minutes.
Oh yeah.
I want my traffic report during my lunch.
Towards like Merced and everything.
Huh?
It was nice.
Merced?
Yeah, driven that far.
Oh wow! I'll tell you what. I've taken transit all the way to Merced before.
Yeah, no, it's.
I transferred in Modesto and Turlock.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Merced the bus.
Oh yeah, Merced Transit.
Yeah, Merced Transpo. Oh my God.
Yeah, it's it's pretty nice. Very the mall. I've seen you.
Really oh my God! I went all the way out there. Wow.
Yeah, no,
that was oh my God! That was like the ultimate day trip for me.
Yeah.
And I ended up riding the train back from Merced all the way to San Francisco. Well, I got off at Emeryville and then took a bus. Yeah, so now, you know, just to remind you, 9th and Irving. That's our goal right now, because the 85-35 right now is doing the loop along Quintara. So let's see here. If you were to do, you know what? Okay. Is it possible to make a right turn on Sunset and then left on 20th?
Yeah, I think. Yeah.
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 Or how about you make a right on Judah, then right on 20th?
Oh yeah.
Which one do you think is a better combo? Right on Sunset, left on 20th, and left on Irving?
Yeah, I mean, I can do 19. Oh, yeah, from here I can go from 19 and go straight on to
19.
Oh, yeah.
Right on Lincoln, left on 20th.
Oh, yeah, I can do that. Yeah.
Good.
Yeah, usually park the car and then, that's hard to find parking. I mean,
yeah, that's the hard part.
yeah, that's why you just go home and you just take the bus. I
know, but then here's the thing, it's like, you know, the next departure for that one is at 1:20.
Oh yeah, now that, that one's pretty off.
It's a...
I think I'm taking the last one too, like before that, about, I can't remember the last one, but, oh yeah, but
DG.com.
Of
course, we want to go to Oakland. Let's see, 880. Of course, it's 880. Oh no. When you say Oakland, let me already think 580 or 80. Which one is it?
13.
13.
Ashby.
Yeah. 13, that would be more like, you know, Temescal, the Oakland and Berkeley.
Yeah, it's right 8 by where the 33 ends on the, kind of weird how the 33 starts there, but the other end is like 2 blocks over.
Oh no.
Like 5 minutes away from there.
Oh no.
Yeah, it's pretty good line.
We have I have 3 cameras waiting for me on the change at Mike's Cameras. Hopefully, I will tell the guy there, okay, I'm ready to pick my camera, and I believe I have enough to cover, you know, like If not, I will hold on to it as long as I can until I finally get the money for it. I mean, it's like, you know, I still work part-time there in Mill Valley. Going down a little bit because, I think I would be better off switching places with my mom. You know, she can do the caregiving while I do, you know, like her secretary work. But that means I won't have days off like this. That's the trade-off. And then... you know, the exit to Stinson Beach and Molinas.
Oh yeah, nice.
Or the south side of Mill Valley.
Yeah, I mean Miller. Yeah, I sometimes go all the way down to here to get back on the freeway.
Really?
Yeah, I like in the mornings it's pretty bad.
Oh.
Yeah, traffic. Yeah.